First Australian-built Boxer combat reconnaissance vehicles roll offline. The vehicles were produced at Rheinmetall's Military Vehicle Centre of Excellence in Redbank, part of Canberra's Land 400 Phase 2 program to field 211 Boxer combat reconnaissance vehicles. The delivery marks a key transition as Australia moves from importing armoured platforms to sustaining domestic production, with long-term implications for maintenance, upgrades, and export potential. The Boxer CRV, equipped with a Lance turret and an advanced sensor suite, is designed to deliver enhanced reconnaissance, firepower, and survivability for the Australian Army. This first tranche forms part of a broader program covering 211 Boxer CRVs for the Australian Defence Force, ADF, including 25 vehicles previously assembled in Germany and already fielded by the Australian Army. These earlier vehicles were delivered under the first phase of the program, known as Block I, which includes 12 reconnaissance variants and 13 multi-purpose variants currently in service and reporting high availability rates. Production at Redbank now assumes a central role for the remaining Block II vehicles, supported by more than 50 domestic companies and a workforce exceeding 500 personnel distributed across the national industrial base. The program extends beyond local needs, as Rheinmetall Defence Australia, RDA, also commits to manufacturing over 100 Boxer heavy weapon carrier variants for the German Army, a contract valued at more than $1 billion for the Australian economy. The milestone is confirmed on March 27, 2026 by Australian Minister for Defence Industry Pat Conroy, who presents the first 7 vehicles as evidence of a maturing sovereign industrial capability and a deepening partnership with Germany. His statement underscores both the operational role of the Boxer fleet and the reliance on domestic inputs, including Australian steel and engineering expertise, while also pointing to the broader employment and supply chain effects generated by the Redbank facility. The Boxer CRV program is part of Land 400 Phase 2, which aims to modernize the Australian Army's armoured fighting vehicle capability by replacing the Australian Light Armoured Vehicle introduced in 1996. This transition reflects a shift toward heavier, better protected systems capable of operating across a wider spectrum of missions, from stabilization operations to high-intensity combat scenarios. The Block II production phase now underway includes 186 vehicles across 5 variants, namely reconnaissance, repair, recovery, command and control, and joint fires and surveillance, all designed to support a networked combined arms force. The Boxer CRV itself reflects a modular armored fighting vehicle design centered on a mission module concept, allowing rapid reconfiguration between roles. The Australian reconnaissance variant integrates a Lance turret equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, typically the 30-2 Malawian kwaches per ABM, capable of firing airburst munitions designed to engage dismounted infantry behind cover. This cannon operates with a firing rate of around 200 rounds per minute and effective engagement ranges exceeding 3,000 meters, depending on ammunition type. In addition, the vehicle carries an anti-tank guided missile system, commonly associated with Spike LR2, which offers engagement ranges up to 5.5 kilometers, and a tandem warhead designed to defeat modern reactive armor. Mobility remains a defining feature of the Boxer family. The vehicle is powered by an MTU-8 V199 TE20 diesel engine producing approximately 720 horsepower, enabling road speeds above 100 km per hour despite a combat weight exceeding 35 tons. Its 8x8 configuration, combined with independent suspension and central tire inflation, supports cross-country maneuver in varied terrain, including the arid and tropical environments characteristic of Australia's operational geography. Protection levels are designed to withstand improvised explosive devices and ballistic threats, with a modular armor package allowing adaptation to threat evolution without redesigning the entire vehicle. Sensor integration further extends the Boxer's reconnaissance role. The turret incorporates stabilized electro-optical systems combining thermal imaging, day cameras, and laser rangefinders, enabling target detection and identification at extended distances under degraded visibility conditions. These sensors are linked to digital battle management systems, allowing real-time data sharing across units. The architecture supports integration with broader command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance frameworks, ensuring that the vehicle operates as part of a networked force. Within operational formations, the Boxer CRV is designed to operate across diverse environments, from littoral areas in Australia's near region to dense urban terrain under contested conditions. Its combination of firepower, protection, and mobility allows it to operate forward of heavier formations, identifying enemy positions while maintaining the capacity to engage if required. The presence of anti-tank missiles extends its reach against armored threats, while the 30mm cannon provides versatility against light vehicles and infantry. Amphibious integration, as demonstrated during trials aboard HMES Adelaide, enables deployment alongside maritime assets, supporting expeditionary operations across the Indo-Pacific. If employed within combined arms teams, the vehicle contributes to shortening the sensor-to-shooter loop by linking reconnaissance data with long-range fires and maneuver elements. Industrial implications emerge alongside these operational gains. The Red Bank facility anchors a sovereign production capability that reduces reliance on external supply chains, a consideration that has gained prominence in recent years. Moreover, the involvement of local subcontractors introduces a distributed manufacturing model, where components ranging from armor steel to electronic subsystems are sourced domestically. The parallel production of vehicles for Germany suggests that Australia is not only a recipient of technology, but also a contributor to allied defense supply networks. At a broader level, the program reflects a gradual convergence between European and Indo-Pacific defense industries. Germany's decision to source vehicles from Australia indicates a level of trust in industrial standards and production capacity that extends beyond traditional geographic boundaries. For Australia, this partnership aligns with efforts to deepen ties with like-minded countries while maintaining autonomy in critical capabilities. In a context marked by evolving security dynamics in the Indo-Pacific and renewed attention to land warfare in Europe, such arrangements point toward a more interconnected defense ecosystem, where industrial cooperation becomes a vector of strategic alignment as much as a matter of economic exchange.